Okay, so I bought a new vanity and a matching mirror, but it didn't have a medicine cabinet. Miss Emily, who is the DIY queen, convinced me to go get paint and try and paint my existing medicine cabinet. Anyway, gonna give it a try. Starting with the inside, because I'm a little scared. We'll see what happens. True fact, I am the queen of DIY. Do I have to do this? Emily, to me, you have to sand and prime the cabinet before you try and paint it. Me, I don't have time to sand or prime. Also me, I should have sanded and primed because this inside is messed up. So let me say this. Emily tried to convince me to sand and prime this thing first. I figured, why bother? Well, after I got the first coat on and it wasn't sticking so well, I realized why you bother. In comes hubby to save the day. He sanded it all down for me. So now I am going to start painting the outside. Hopefully this comes out right. Otherwise, you know, the trash can, here it comes.